Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English.
Can you speak English?
Unfortunately, I can't speak English well.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I like ice cream.
Do you like ice cream?
Not really. I'm not a fan of ice cream.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
Are you a student?
No, I'm not currently a student.
Is it raining outside?
Yes, it is raining outside.
Is it raining outside?
No, it's actually quite sunny.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a pet.
Do you have a pet?
I don't have any pets.
Are you from Germany?
Yes, I am from Germany.
Are you from Germany?
No, I'm from another country.
Do you like to read books?
Yes, I like to read books.
Do you like to read books?
No, reading isn't really my thing.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, this is my first time here.
Is this your first time here?
No, I've been here before.
Are you busy tomorrow?
No, I'm free.
Do you have a boyfriend?
Yes, I have a boyfriend.
Have you ever been to Europe?
No, I haven't been to Europe.
What day is it today?
It's Monday.
What's your favorite season?
I love autumn.
Have you ever been abroad?
I went to Brazil last year.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
Do you need help?
No, thanks for asking.
Where do you live?
I live in Australia.
What did you do last night?
I watched TV.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Have you done this before?
No, it's the first time.
Where are you coming from?
I am coming from college.
Why are you laughing?
Because I am happy.
Why are you sad?
Because I didn't get the job.
Why are you shouting?
Because he insulted me.
Whom do you want to see?
I want to meet the manager.
When will you arrive?
I will arrive this afternoon.
Whose bag is this?
This is John's bag.
Whose car is this?
This is my car.
When will you come?
I will come tomorrow. Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I'm free tomorrow.
Will you join me for coffee?
Sorry, I don't have time.
What does she look like?
She is very beautiful. Have you done this before?
No, it's the first time.
Where are you coming from?
I am coming from college.
Why are you laughing?
Because I am happy.
Why are you sad?
Because I didn't get the job.
Why are you shouting?
Because he insulted me.
Whom do you want to see?
I want to meet the manager.
When will you arrive?
I will arrive this afternoon.
Whose bag is this?
This is John's bag.
Whose car is this?
This is my car.
When will you come?
I will come tomorrow. Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I'm free tomorrow.
Will you join me for coffee?
Sorry, I don't have time.
What does she look like?
She is very beautiful.
What's your name?
My name is Jack.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I am fine. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak a little English.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is red.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
How old are you?
I'm 24 years old.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee very much.
How many oranges are there?
There are 3 oranges.
How are you doing?
I'm good, thank you.
Tell me your name, please.
My name is Ollie.
Tell me your name, please.
My name is Ollie. What is your name?
My name is Lucy.
Lucy, where are you from?
I'm from America. Do you speak English?
I understand English, but can't speak.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 2 languages.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I love my job.
How did you come here?
I came by my car.
Did you meet Emma?
No, I came to meet her.
Did you come alone?
Yes, I came alone.
Let's go inside the house.
Sure, let's go.
Would you like tea or coffee?
I'll take tea, please.
How is your family doing?
Everyone is doing well, thank you for asking.
How long will you be staying here?
I'll be here for a couple of hours. Do you have any gum?
Yes, there is.
Can you drive a car?
No, I can't drive.
How's it going?
Not bad.
How is everything?
Everything is fine.
What is the problem?
Nothing.
Are you tired?
No, I'm not now.
May I come in, doctor?
Yes, come in. Take your seat.
Thank you, doctor.
What's your name?
I'm Elizabeth.
And how old are you?
I'm 29.
Okay. Now tell me, what are the problems that you are facing?
Since yesterday night I've been having severe stomach ache. I took an antacid last night, but the pain was still the same.
Any other symptoms?
Yeah, I also had bouts of vomiting last night and today morning as well.
Do you have a headache?
No.
Did you have this kind of stomach ache before?
Yes, doctor.
Are you sick?
Yes. I'm sick.
How is she?
She's beautiful.
What time is it?
It is 8 o'clock.
What's the temperature?
It's 30 degrees Celsius now.
What does she look like?
She's tall and slim.
Could I see the room?
Your room number is 201.
What's your job?
I'm a student.
Do you have any bags?
Yes, there's a suitcase.
How's the weather?
It is raining.
How much does it cost?
It's $100.
Where did you go?
I went to see a movie.
What did you buy?
I bought a shirt.
Who did you meet?
I met my friend.
How did you make it?
I knew how to make it.
When did you buy it?
I bought it yesterday.
Why did this happen?
I don't know.
When did you get home?
I arrived 5 minutes ago.